Everyone, I'm Dr. Abhinav, and this video today is for students who couldn't clear the FMG December 2021 exam. So don't worry. So what we'll be seeing in this video mainly today is how to strategize about the next exam. So what can be done next in order to clear your upcoming June 2022 FMG exam. So even I came across many students who got 149 and couldn't clear the exam. So just because of 1 mark, they will have to wait for 6 months again. So this commonly happens in the FMG exam. So do not worry about these things. And even in your medical career, these things are sometimes inevitable and they do happen. So it's like you'll have to wait for this exam, that exam. All these kind of things happens at some point of your career. So don't worry about this. Failures are always a stepping stone for success. So let's see what can we do after this. First of all, I would want you to take a paper and write down what you're feeling right now. The fire that you're feeling right now, the sadness, all those things, you have to write it down. Remember to have it till the up till for the next 6 months till your June exam. And now also write down what you want to achieve in the June exam. Okay. So whatever you're feeling now and what you want to achieve in the future, write both things down and keep it with yourself. In between your preparation for the June 2022 exam, whenever you feel down or you feel like your preparation is not up to the point, you take this note and read it. So you will have to get the fire again in between your preparations in order to clear the upcoming exam. So not in any point of this next 6 months you should feel down or you should feel like you're not up to your mark in the preparation. You should always be or should always be dedicated and give your best for the next 6 months. Okay. So what I did is I inquired few students who couldn't clear the exam and I analyzed with them what went wrong. So the three major things that they said is that one, they couldn't complete studying all the 19 subjects. That was the first problem. Most of them told me. And the second one was they couldn't make 2 or 3 revisions. So all they could do was complete 19 subjects and couldn't even revise for once. So that was commonly seen. And the third important thing is that students felt that they did not solve enough MCQs. So these were the top three major problems that I came across inquiring students who couldn't clear the exam. So we'll mainly tackle upon these three things because I think this one of your problems might be in this one also. So we still have 6 months time, that is till June. So starting from January till June, we'll have 6 months time and we'll properly strategize each and every month, each and every week, and we'll clear the exam on June. Okay, so don't worry. I'll make another video separately for the timetable schedule. So how can we study? So if you're interested, please do let me know in the comment section. So I'll know that and I'll make a video on that also. So in this video, I'll generally tell how to approach the upcoming exam. Okay. So if you ask me that if you want to join any new coaching center or if you want to start writing the notes again, my opinion would be no. Whatever you have written now, it is actually enough. The thing is that we couldn't use it properly. To be honest, that is what I think might be the problem. So if you already have your notes, don't again write your notes from the beginning. What you can do is that you can have that notes, revise it again and again and again. And if you want to join in something, in some app or any coaching center, just join for the test and discussions or the MCQ type of discussions. Okay, that will be really helpful for you. But so what I'm saying is that you will have to use your same notes. Start from subject which you haven't completed already. Okay, so previously you might have completed 12 subjects or 13 subjects. So now you're going to start from the subjects which you haven't read already. Okay, start from those subjects, complete all those subjects, try to complete it in the 2 months till February itself so that you'll have extra time for revision. So after that, revise whatever subject you have completed already. Okay, so start with the new subjects and then end with the old subjects. Okay, so that is how it will be really easier for you to learn, because right now you can you're not fatigued or tired, so you can start with new subjects and learn it really well. So then the second important thing is that you should definitely complete the 19 subjects and have at least 2 to 3 revisions. Okay, so make sure that you have completed all the 19 subjects before March, okay, or in the middle of April. So that's up to you, because some students might have completed more subjects already, some might have completed less. So at least in the mid of the April, you should have completed all the subjects and you should have started your revisions. At least 2 to 3 revisions is very important. So the final thing I want to say is that about your MCQs, make sure to make it a habit of solving at least 100 MCQs per day. So you should be dedicated to yourself. So you should not have any cheat days. So be study dedicatedly. You can definitely clear the June exam. Okay, so starting from today, start solving 100 MCQs per day. So make sure that you, after solving the MCQs, you also revise the wrong answers and know the explanations for those things. I'm saying that is really helpful for you, because you should have the attitude of solving MCQs. So solving MCQs is an art. So you should know how to think and in what angle to think for each question. So that you will get only by practicing solving more and more questions. So that is very important. So these are the 3 important things that I wanted to say. So start from the subject you haven't started already and end with the subject which you have started already. The second important thing is that have 2 to 3 revisions at least. And the third important thing is that do practice at least 100 MCQs per day. So do not wait for any good day or good time. Start from today, start from now. Okay, so that is all I wanted to tell to you today about in this video. So if you want to have a detailed schedule on how can we approach the June exam, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll make a schedule for it also, so that we also can make a Telegram group, and whoever wants to follow that schedule, we can bring it. We can join the group, and every week we'll update ourselves that we have completed this subject, we have completed this topic. So that will be kind of the group study kind of thing will be helpful for you also. So that's all I wanted to tell to you today. So don't worry, you can definitely clear the June 2022 exam. So that's all. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.